So let's take a minute to step outside of my comfort zone a little bit. Talk about manufacturing in an industry that I don't know much about. Now, if you weren't aware, and I personally wasn't, but it makes sense once you think about it, ice needs to be manufactured. And, well, since it's supposed to be somewhere around minus 60 degrees this week in Wisconsin, where I'm based, I figured we'd visit a facility that I guess makes the stuff that I'm so familiar with, but never thought about manufacturing. The best part about this is the fact that to visit a facility that makes ice, I had to go to Arizona. The cool thing to take into consideration when you're talking about ice being manufactured is the fact that it needs to be manufactured just like anything else. It requires efficiency and some precision, and especially because it's something that's related to food, it has a whole nother set of stipulations that they gotta abide by. So rather than tolerances that are down to tenths, they have to worry about food grade quality and how their machines are operated and things like that. But of course, there was still the opportunity to see robots, because if you're manufacturing, I mean, come on, why don't you buy robots? So if you like what you've seen, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and hit that little bell because you'll be notified then when I'm creating new content. And, well, there'll be plenty more manufacturing to come, just hopefully in warmer climates.